Have you ever heard of the children of Lulaco? It sounds like something from a fantasy novel, but this is a real and incredibly poignant archaeological discovery. High on the summit of the Lulaco volcano, straddling the border of Argentina and Chile, 3 Inca children were found, perfectly preserved by the freezing, dry air. They weren't just buried, they were part of a sacred ritual called Copacoca over 500 years ago. Scientists studying them discovered these children were chosen a year before their final journey, treated like royalty, and given the best food and drink. It's a somber glimpse into a lost world where the highest honor was a final, peaceful sleep on a sacred mountain, connecting the people to their gods. What a powerful and mysterious story from the past. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible stories from history. Thanks for watching.